Welcome back to the Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to update Instagram keyboard emojis step by step. If you want to stay updated with more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Step 1, first open the Settings app on your Android phone. This is where you'll find all the options to manage your device. Step 2, scroll down and tap on System. It's usually near the bottom of the Settings menu. Step 3, now tap on System Update. This section helps keep your phone up to date with the latest features and improvements. Step 4, next tap on Check for Update. Your phone will search for any available updates. Step 5, if an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to update your phone. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Step 6, if no updates are available, don't worry. You might just have to wait for the next update to include new emojis. Step 7, now let's move on to the Keyboard app. Open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Step 8, in the search bar, type the name of your keyboard app, like Gboard or whatever keyboard you use. Step 9, check if there's an update available for the app. If there is, it'll show up right here. Step 10, if an update is available, just tap Update to install it. Once the update is complete, you'll have access to the latest emojis. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.